Hey guys, this is Dave from SuperComp, and today we're going to show you how to install a poly front windshield on this Segway UT10 Crew.
Now go ahead and install the J-bracket for both the bottom and the top of the windshield, along with the necessary hardware to fasten it to the frame of the machine. Next, you got the two small bolts in between the windshield and the roof of the machine. Now after you've gotten those two bolts in the top put in, you can go ahead and tighten those down along with the rest of the hardware.